Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will be helping you with one of the most terrifying errors, the white screen of death of WordPress. Let's begin. The WordPress white screen of death is one of the most common errors, and it is also one of the most frustrating ones because there is no error message, just a white screen with no clues on what's happening. This error can be caused for many reasons. Number one, maybe because a bad script in your website exceeded the memory limits or timed out your server. For security reasons, your server kills the execution and you only receive a white screen as a response. Number two, this problem can also happen due to an error code in some plugin or theme in your WordPress installation. And number three, it can also happen for some bad configurations in your web hosting server. So what are the steps to solve this problem? Since there are many reasons, let's see the possible solutions to follow. Number one, if you have more WordPress websites installed in the same hosting server, then make sure that this problem is not happening in the other site as well. If you also have the white screen on the other websites, then it means that the problem is in the server. Get in contact with your hosting provider and let them know about this issue. Otherwise, if the rest of the websites are working properly, it means that the server is not involved in the problem. Number two, if the problem comes from a plugin or theme, instead of a white screen, you will see the message, "This site is experiencing technical difficulties." Also, WordPress will send an email to the admin email address with some extra information on which plugin is causing the error. But if you don't receive any email or you just see the white screen, you will have to fix the problem manually. If you can still access to the WordPress admin area, then go to Plugin, Install Plugins, and start deactivating them one by one, and then refresh the website in order to check if the problem is solved. Otherwise, if you don't have access to the admin area of your WordPress, you can follow the same steps using the site tools in your SiteGround account. First of all, log into your SiteGround account, clicking Websites, Site Tools, and then clicking File Manager under the Site menu. Once the files are loaded, go to the plugin directory of your WordPress and rename the plugins folder one by one to check which one is causing the problem. To do so, right-click in the folder and select Rename. If the problem persists, set back the name of the plugin and try with the next one until you find the problematic one. And the solution number three, if the problem persists, you can turn on the debugging properties of WordPress. This will show the error in the front end or in a log file in the content folder. To implement this solution, go to the file manager of your SiteGround account and edit the file wp-config.php. Then add these two constants. Save the changes and refresh the website. If everything is okay, WordPress will show more information about the problem. You can also find this information in a file called debug.log in the content folder of your installation. Once you find and solve the problem, don't forget to remove this constant from the wp-config file. I know that this is a very frustrating error, but I hope that one of these solutions can help you to solve the problem. Thank you and good luck.